معدودات, just a few days. Then always remind yourself, Ramadan is just a few days. These few days make up what? The next day was Shahru Ramadan. These few days make up a month. But look at the attitude. When I say a month, it's a month, a 12th of the year. It's big. But if I say ayyaman ma'dudat, just a few days, it sounds really quick. So the sense of panic and urgency is created within the heart once again. And it's just a few days and it's gone. It's like a short sale and it finishes. Hurry up before the sale ends. That kind of idea. Ayyaman ma'dudat. So it's simple, it's easy. We start, all of a sudden 10 days are over. All of a sudden we're in the last 10 nights. All of a sudden Al-Eid. Oh Allah, whoever did the most, Alhamdulillah. And who didn't, قدر الله ما شاء فعلوا إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون. It would be a calamity. For don't be lazy, push yourself. The doors of the paradise are open. Allah is freeing people from the fire. And a few days and all this is over. Spend the nights with the Quran, بذكر الله عز وجل, with dua, with charity during the day, with Quran, avoid the haram, and it's only a few days. Show Allah Azza wa Jal that you really appreciate that He has given you life until you witness Ramadan. Show gratitude to Allah. How are you going to thank Allah? If He was to give you life to Ramadan, how do you intend to thank Allah? Do you have a plan in how you're going to thank Allah Azza wa Jal? Wallah, is it just the usual, come back from work and sit on the couch, lazy, hand in the phone all day, carelessly strolling away from post to post, from reel to reel, something music, something Quran, something da'wah, something a woman, كيف هذا? How are you going to spend Ramadan like this? This is the Ramadan of the foolish people, Ramadan of the ignorant, Ramadan of those who did not see and acknowledge Allah's blessing upon them. My advice, shut down your social media except to that which will benefit you and keep you motivated and inspired, at least for this month. At least for this month. Shut it down altogether. There's nothing on it. Trust me, there's nothing on it. Wallahi, there's nothing. It's just the hype that the world has made that everyone's on it. Otherwise, in reality, what benefit has it brought in your life? If anything, it's wasted your time. If you sit with yourself and hold yourself accountable, if you're humble enough, you will acknowledge that it has only wasted your time. Go and sit with people that have never opened a social media account in their life. See what they do. See then what you're missing out on. That's the real life. Is away from all this. At least for Ramadan, keep away. Except, as I said, if you need it because there's something beneficial or there's an episode and you know that it's planned to be aired in Ramadan, then khalas, go in for that and come out, because that's from the goodness that you can do in Ramadan. Other than that, turn away from all these things.